Yo, YouTube, Eric here. Valentine's Day is a very important holiday for us here at Call Siab. We feel like we represent many of the same themes as Valentine's Day, such as love, large intakes of chocolate, and severe depression. But over the years, I feel like Valentine's Day has deterred from what it's actually about, which is togetherness and love. Now, Valentine's Day seems just to be a holiday for naughty things. That's why this year, as a Valentine's Day gift, YouTube, I want to give you guys a song. A cover of an old 90s R&B group's hit. A song that I feel represents Valentine's Day at its purest form. I present to you, I'll Make Love to You by Boyz II Men. Close your eyes, make a wish, and blow out the candlelight. For tonight is just your night. We're gonna celebrate. All through the night, pour the wine, light the fire. Girl, your wish is my command. I submit to your demands. I will do anything. Girl, you need only ask. I'll make love to you like you want me to. And I'll hold you tight, baby, all through the night. I'll make love to you when you want me to. And I will not let go till you tell me to. Go, relax, let's go slow. Okay, I ain't got nowhere to go. I'm gonna concentrate on you. Girl, are you ready? It's gonna be a long night. Throw your clothes on the floor. Oh my god. I'm gonna take my clothes off to... Why are we taking off clothes? Hi, I would like to speak to a Mr. Hal Leonard. Yeah, I think there's a typo in the book I bought. I don't get why they're throwing off their clothes in a song about love. What if you just let me talk to Mr. Babyface? I'm sure I could talk to Babyface and talk to him about maybe alternative lyrics. I don't get how a group called Boyz II Men could be singing about such dirty stuff. What does that mean? No! Because, you know, when I purchased this book, I thought I'll Make Love to You was a homely song about love and the pureness of togetherness, not about bumping uglies. Yes it is. I'll submit to your demands. Blow out the candle. What are they gonna use that candle for, sir? Oh, they're bumping, sir. They are bumping, and they like it. Oh, Boyz II Men. It makes sense now. Well, apparently, guys, I'll Make Love to You wasn't a mistake. That's just not what I thought it was about. But you know what? There's plenty of other songs in this book. Why don't I sing you guys this song? End of the Road. Hey, it's probably about construction or something, you know? Freeways. Freeways of life. Probably a very uplifting and bright song. Well, let's try it. What the song should pretty much be about, okay? I'll make sex to you like you want me to, and I'll sex you up, and I'll sex I'll sex with you. Yeah, that's pretty much what the song is, okay, Mr. So. Oh, no, actually, I've never been classically trained. I just kind of, you know, taught myself. Yeah, well, thanks. That's real nice of you, you know, you don't have to. Nah, now stop.